Well, good morning from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Gaylord, Michigan. This is the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Friday, January 24, 2014. Taking a look at the hazardous weather highlights for the next several days. Arctic air and accumulating lake effect and lake enhanced snows will occur across northern Michigan for the next several days. Very gusty winds with blowing and drifting snow will occur across northern Michigan for today through tonight. And then gale force wind gusts will impact northern Lake Michigan today through this evening. Headline for today, hazardous travel is expected today through tonight. We have an Arctic cold front that is developing across central Canada here this morning. And this cold front will sag down into the Great Lakes region as we go through this afternoon and then pass through northern Michigan during the overnight hours tonight. Ahead of this system, very strong and gusty southwest to westerly winds will develop across the area this morning, with sustained winds of 20 to 30 miles per hour across the area and gusts as high as 40 and even 45 miles per hour by mid-afternoon or midday, persisting through the afternoon hours. Strongest winds will be felt along the Lake Michigan shoreline areas from Mackinac County and down through Emmett County and continuing on down through Leelanau County, Benzie, and Manistee counties here during the daytime hours today. But as this cold front does approach the region, we do expect some snow to overspread the area here today and persist through tonight. Generally light snow amounts with this system on the order of 1 to 2 inches. However, southwest flow off the lake will produce lake enhanced snows across northwest lower Michigan and parts of Mackinac County in eastern upper Michigan as well. The front will pass through the area tonight, turning winds into the northwest, and the lake snows will then persist in the usual snowbelt areas later tonight and heading into Saturday. Combination of gusty winds, snow, blowing snow, and accumulating snow today through tonight has prompted winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings for much of northern Michigan here today. And again, with the worst conditions expected across Mackinac County, especially west of I-75 along US 2, and then down along portions of the Lake Michigan shoreline, especially from Leelanau County down through Manistee County. In addition to the snow, blowing snow, and reduced visibilities here today, we do have wind chills as low as 25 degrees below zero here this morning. That will improve just a bit as we go into the afternoon as temperatures do warm up from where they are at here this morning. And then more cold air and lake effect snows persist through the weekend and into early next week. Well, that concludes this hazardous weather briefing for today. Thanks for listening in. The next update will occur around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.